If you're running a Shopify store and you're selling in Europe, but you're still sourcing from AliExpress, this video is going to save you a lot of money. 3 to 5 week shipping times, customers filing disputes because the product is taking too long to arrive, product quality is not what the customer expected, and refund rates are slowly destroying your profit margins while ad costs just keep going up. I've been looking into Shopify sellers who are actually growing in Europe right now, and they're doing something completely different. And there's one platform that keeps coming up. It's called Eany. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why it's becoming the go-to sourcing solution for serious EU sellers. Let me break down exactly why AliExpress sourcing is such a liability targeting EU customers. First, delivery expectations. With the rise of Amazon fulfillment, with the prime shipping times of 2 to 3 days, it's very difficult to compete with that time frame. And when you're fulfilling with AliExpress, customers will be waiting 3 to 5, sometimes even weeks for their product to arrive. And that's a big no-no. What you're going to end up getting is a bad review, and you're losing a long-term customer that could continuously buy from your Shopify store. Second, quality control. When your supplier is thousands of kilometers away, you have no visibility to see what's actually being packed and shipped. One bad batch of orders, and you're going to have a huge spike of return rate. And this could affect your payment processing, which eventually could actually stop you from selling. And suddenly, everything is much bigger than just a bad product. The competitive landscape has shifted. Other EU sellers have already moved to EU-based suppliers. They're offering 3 to 5 day shipping, and it's converting much better. Even at higher price points, customers trust us a lot more than working with something like AliExpress. If you're still fully reliant on AliExpress for an EU audience, fighting an uphill battle that's just going to get steeper and steeper. So you're probably wondering, what is the solution here? What can I do? Well, that's EU-based fulfillment and no upfront bulk purchasing. And these products can be real branded products. No customs delays and no hidden import fees that are going to affect your profit margin. And here's the conversion angle that most people aren't talking about right now. And that's ships from Europe, delivered in 3 to 5 days. Imagine these in your ad creatives or labeled throughout your entire Shopify store. People look at this and immediately want to purchase your product, because that builds trust with your audience. That one trust signal can change everything for your store. But one of the main problems is finding and accessing EU suppliers at scale. Traditionally, you would need separate accounts with dozens of different distributors, separate minimum orders per product, separate invoices, and a mountain of admin for every product you want to sell. That's exactly why Eany.io is built differently. Let me show you exactly how it works on my computer. Let's get right into it. Using the link in the description, you can sign up with Eany today. So like I said, Eany is Europe's all-in-one wholesale marketplace. So source profitable wholesale products with free shipping across DIY, household, and electronics from 300 plus vetted suppliers. So you got competitive pricing, free to join, and free shipping. So as you can see here, low MOV, start sourcing with a low minimum order value, 300 plus vetted European suppliers, free shipping, free pricing intelligence. So as you can see, it's an all-in-one marketplace. You can find your next best seller in 3 simple steps: browse, discover, connect, and purchase, and grow your business. And there's so many people using this product, as mentioned here, trusted by thousands of online retailers. And then once you're ready to sign up, simply go here, sign up, and then just simply create your account and get started with Eany. So as you can see, we're on Eany. We've created our account, we've logged in, and you can see what we have here. So you can see all products. So any type of products you want to search up, you can simply search it here. Then we have hot deals. So any products that are selling quick. Then trends. So any products that are on an upward trend. Wish list. So if you want to save any products, you can simply create your own wish list here. And then we also have all these other categories here. So as you can see, there's many different types of categories. Let's say, for example, we want to find pet suppliers. So we'll do pet suppliers, and let's say the dog niche, okay? So we have dog suppliers, and you can see all the different types of products here that you're able to sell. But in my opinion, if you're trying to find the best winning products, go to hot deals here. You can see all the products that are selling right now that are performing the best. And all of the sales here are based on retail sales. How are those products performing? And if people are actually buying these products. And then when we go trending here, you can see these are products that are going on the uprise. They're starting to sell. And you can see if we scroll through here and go to the next page. Okay, so you can see all the different types of products. Let's say, for example, this alarm clock. Okay, we'll click this alarm clock. And you can see all the information about this alarm clock. Okay, so price of delivery is 24.74 euros. Shipping date, how many units are available. You can check the retail prices, how much are they being sold currently, at retail. You also get product images for the products, so all the product images you need to put your own listing, then specifications, as well as price history. So you can see what the history of the price has been for this product. And then you also have the Amazon platform, so you can see what the product is being sold at. So just like that, you can already see without even paying anything, you're already finding winning products. And the cool thing is you can add different types of products to your cart. So let's say right here, I can add 3 of these. I'll add it to my cart. Then we'll go back to decor. And then we'll see, we can find another product here. We can add this frame. So let's add like, I don't know, 10 of them. Okay. And then let's go back to home and garden. Let's see other types of products. Okay. Let's say, for example, these lights. Okay. So we'll add, there's only 6 units available. So we'll add 6 of those. Okay. And what you can notice here is you can have all of these types of products in your cart. So you can have this product, and this product in your cart, and then proceed to checkout. So as you can see here, we're able to process the purchase for the products we got. And there you go. That's Eany, an all-in-one platform to help you get started today. Let me give you a realistic picture of exactly where the value sits and who this is best fit for. If you're just getting started with Shopify, Eany gives you something that's genuinely hard to find. Access to real, recognizable European brands at wholesale pricing, with low enough entry point so you don't have to commit tons of capital up front. Just a couple €100, or if you're somebody who's already generating revenue, let's say a few thousands a month, then the value is much different. About margin improvement and operational simplicity. EU-based fulfillment means faster shipping times to your customers, lower dispute rates, and fewer returns, because customers will get the top quality product delivered to them. And that compounds quickly to better reviews, happier customers, and long-term customers who will continue buying from your store. This is how you build a real brand. Let's talk more about profit margins. Eany's pricing intelligence shows you the wholesale cost versus the current retail price. The current retail price across European markets before you buy. You can see your estimated margin up front, product by product, and the platform tells you exactly where the best opportunities are. So you're not guessing anything. Everything is there for you. And the workflow gets as easy as it gets. One platform, one order, one invoice, one shipment from multiple EU suppliers simultaneously. That's a significant operational upgrade over managing a patchwork of separate supplier relationships. So if you're running a Shopify store selling in Europe and you want faster shipping times, better margins, and a sourcing setup that actually scales, Eany.io is the perfect platform for you. It's completely free to join, no subscription, no setup fee, and no commitment. You can browse our full catalog, the margins on every product, and get exactly what's available before you spend anything. My link is in the description. Click that link and sign up today. You can use my promo code Patrick. So sign up for free, explore the catalog, and see what EU-based sourcing is all about. So I hope you did enjoy that video. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.